Homeschool butcher from the time I was 3 years old up. Yeah, I did truck driving for, what was it, 9 years, machinist for 7 years. But it's something I think everybody needs to do, or young people need to learn, sustain themselves sustainably on their own, even without an education if they can. Education's okay, nothing matter with it, but the education of common sense is something we don't have in this country today. It's something we need. Use your hands and your mind. Use your head for something other than a hat rack.